Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl deja.zhane, and today I'm going to be doing a Fenty Beauty review because I got a new foundation, I have a new concealer, well, two concealers, and the setting powder, and some highlight. Girl, I got a lot of stuff. I was inspired by Rihanna to do this look. I'll insert a picture over here. The hair, the makeup, even the little shawl thingy I'm wearing. Yeah, I had fun doing this. I'm really excited about the whole release, everything. I had fun doing this. So just sit back and watch how I do this. Well, not the look, but just me reviewing the products. I got the new Fenty Pro Filter foundation. I have one of her new shades. So at first I was in the shade 450, this one right here. As you can see, it's well used, and it claims to be like more of a neutral color. I kind of don't think it was neutral, not neutral on me at least. One of the new shades she added to her collection. One of the new shades she has with like the shade range, and it's the color 345. So it's like, it's right in between. And this one it claims to be a golden olive undertone. I think I have like a golden like olive undertone, and it's kind of hard to find foundations that have that. Usually it's too yellow or something that's more red. So that's the 350 that I was using all of last year. It looks kind of red, more on the red. I don't know, it's kind of weird. At first I thought it was too yellow, but now I'm starting to think it's too red, and it's probably because I'm a little lighter now. And to be honest, I think that the 345 is a better match for me right now, considering I don't have a tan. I have two of her concealers. One is the color 255 and the other is in 420. This is my contour shade and this is my highlight. I did wear the foundation already, and I think what I'm gonna try today, I'm going to color correct a little bit around my mouth area, because I think it's a pretty good match like in this region. But because my mouth is a little like a tad bit darker, I do think that the olive undertones makes it a little dull, a little grayish around my mouth. So today I'm going to use a combination of the peach and an orange corrector by LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to use these two today just to color correct. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prime my face. So today I'm going to use my sample of the Lancome primer. I'm just going to use a little bit of this. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of that Peach Corrector by LA Girl. I don't know why I want to say LA Cover Girl. I don't know. Here, around my mustache, because I didn't really shave it. Haven't shaved it in a while. I'm going to put a little bit of this orange corrector. A little bit of that. Ooh. Really? Alrighty. So now that I have my orange and peach corrector on, I'm going to go in with my Fenty foundation. Okay, so as you can see, I think this is a pretty good match. So now I'm going to highlight and contour with these two. I like to start a little lower on my face because I feel like when I apply my concealer too high, like right underneath my creases, too much product really accentuates them, so I don't like to do that. I do like the applicator. A lot does come out. I'm gonna put a little on my forehead. Actually, I put a little here too. And I'm gonna use my beauty blender, just for the sake of using my beauty blender. I haven't used it in a while. And this concealer, it's like, it's the perfect consistency. Like, applying it, it looks like it's gonna be a lot, like it's gonna be really thick and kind of hard to blend out, but it's really not. So now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty contour shade. I'm just gonna contour my face. I've highlighted and contoured everything. Now I'm just gonna kind of blend out the creases underneath my eye. I have natural creases under my eye, so I'm just gonna blend it out before I set it with the banana powder. I got the banana powder because I thought this would look better than the one before. I feel like it was called like cream or something like that. And it has a, like, you know, yellowish tint. I'm going to dump a little bit in here. It smells like the foundation. It has that like vanilla smell, the powder. I like that smell. It's not too perfuming like Huda Beauty's powder. I don't like that. It's too strong. This has just the right amount of like scent to it. I'm just gonna dust away any excess powder. This was whatever I have left over. So now I'm going to bronze my face or contour my face. This might just be like a contour shade. I thought I was bronzing, but I think it's like a whatever. But CoverGirl, not CoverGirl, oh my god, Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 360 Mocha Mocha. Now that most of my face is done, my foundation, concealer, aesthetic, contoured, I'm gonna do my brows and like a little natural eye makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm back. My chest is a little red because I wiped off those foundation swatches, but ignore that. My face is completely done. I did like a little soft, little natural beat, like I said before I left. Just to finish off the look, I'm going to apply some of the Fenty Fairy Balm in the color Rosé on Ice. It's a loose pigment highlighter. It smells good too. I think all of her products has this like really vanilla, like a soft vanilla smell. That's my favorite. I love that. I've already applied some of it on my nose, on my eyes, a little bit on my Cupid's bow, and now I'm just going to apply some on my cheeks. Alright, so I've completed my face. Now my thoughts on the foundation and the concealer. Well, I guess the whole line. I can't say anything bad about it. I liked it. I don't even know what to say. I like the range of the color selection. Oh, you know what? I'm really glad that I found a pretty good match, like with the new foundation shades. I'm kind of happy that she decided to add, you know, 10 more shades like in between color. I like the powder. I was surprised that the powder wasn't like too dark, because as of lately I've been using my, you know, Laura Mercier setting powder, and it's much lighter than that one. I know that this bottle looks bigger. It's which it is. The bottle is, or is it bigger? This is my Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is, you know, the Fenty. And honestly, I believe they have the same amount in here. So the Laura Mercier setting powder is actually $39, and this one is $34. So you are actually getting more bang for your buck with the Fenty Beauty. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I didn't have an issue with the concealers. I don't think the concealers dry down as fast as a foundation, but I did have like a slight issue with the okay, so when my foundation was kind of dry, I was taking too long, and when I was trying to contour my face, like on this side, I tried to like really blend out the concealer, and I feel like it's a, you can't tell because I fixed it, but it was a little harsh right here. Like it kind of dried before I could like blend it out. And that's probably my fault. Maybe I took too long. I don't know. But yeah. Did y'all get any Fenty? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you all for watching and peace out.